Okay, what's happening, everybody? Yeah, it's morning time here, 8:30 in the morning. Drinking my coffee. I've been requested by one of my subs and a new YouTube friend. His name's Eddie, and he's starting to carve wood spirits, and he carves those succulent holders. And you can follow his page at Eddie. I forget the name of your page, but if you want to know how to make succulent holders or whatever, he's in California. I'll think of the name in a minute, Eddie. Sorry, it's from my injury. Anyways, as requested by Eddie, I'm going to make this video way early in the season, okay? This is for Christmas time. This wood spirit I'm going to carve here. It's cheesy as God hell. It's cheesy as hell, okay? I know it is. I made one last year for a joke to give to my stepmom. And when I gave it to her, she absolutely friggin' loved the thing and wanted to buy five of them off me at 20 bucks a piece. So I said, no problem. Sure thing, I'll make them. So this little piece of cottonwood bark I found on the beach. Find a piece of softwood, guys. Get a stick, cut it in half so you get two pieces out of a branch, you know what I mean? Slice it in half. And this is going to be a cottonwood bark spirit Santa. Okay, so let's draw it on. I know it's easy. It's early in the season, guys, but after she bought those, I posted a picture on Facebook of 5 of these, and I sold over 100 of them for about, I think they were 20 bucks each. And they take me 10 minutes to carve. Then you got to do a little bit of painting. So this can be for anybody. All you need is a Dremel. You don't even need a flex shaft. You just need a Dremel with a carving burr on here. This is a Kutzall I'm using, guys. Again, this is a 1/8 extreme flame burr. If you want to find out more about these burrs, go look in the description below down here, and you'll see a link to the website. And use the code CFusion if you want to save yourself 5%. I think these are like 20 bucks or something American. But these things last forever, guys. They're so aggressive and thick, you know, like they're sturdy little burrs and they last a long time. Okay, so what we're going to do, once again, draw our center line on. Okay, what I'm going to do this time, okay, so let's draw his nose on here. And this is beech cottonwood bark, guys, so you might see pieces flying off all the time too, so it's very shaly. This isn't going to be a detailed carving. This is just I'm going to blast it off. Show you guys how simple it is, and anybody can do it. Okay, so here's his eyes. Put a little mustache in here. I use the same formula every time, guys. And now, so what we're going to do, his hat is going to be here. If I can remember how to do this. So yeah, here's his little Santa hat. Oh, there's no science in this, guys. It's just cheesy as hell. And if you want to make money from carving, this is what you need to do. I'm going to start carving these, and I'm going to get 50 ready so I don't even have to worry at Christmas time, and I'll have them ready. So let's start carving this. Oh yeah, we got to make them little because we're going to put paint on here. Okay, so let me start carving here. Okay, you guys can see how I quickly carve that. If you guys want to learn how to carve a wood spirit, you're new to the channel, look in my description. You'll see step by step, okay? So this is a dollar store paint. I paid $1 for this. Dollar store paint brushes, guys. You know what I mean? And this is the Carving Fusion custom paint tray. Okay, so shake up your paint. These things don't need to look perfect, guys. Like, the cheesier they are, the better they look. Okay, so let's paint his beard. Just slap some paint on here. Paint his mustache. Okay. Man, this got really monotonous when I was doing them all last year. Oh, God. So it's this year I want to get ahead of the game, kind of, right? You know, as an artist, you want to, you know, you don't do your art to make money, but if you have an opportunity to make money, why not make money when you're doing something that you love? Like I said, guys, it doesn't need to be perfect. There's going to be spots missed or whatever. It's just a goddamn spirit Santa. Okay, look. Okay, so we're going to just barely touch his eyebrows. Okay. If you get any stuff later, you can, on others, if you get white paint on his nose, you can sand it off later. Jesus, I hate it when I do that. Paint across the brim of his hat. Paint a little white ball on the top of his Santa hat like this, okay? See, you got a little white fuzzy ball up there. Oh shit, look, Santa's spirit's coming alive, isn't he? Goddamn spirit, Santa. What do you want for Christmas? Well, I want my 2 missing teeth. Okay, hold on, I gotta get some red paint. I really should be letting this white paint dry, because if you mix red and white, what color do you get, guys? Pink. And we don't want no pink Santas, do we, here in Carving Fusion? I don't think Grumpy Jesse would like that. Okay, so let's paint on the red. What do you think, Eddie? Uh-oh, we got some pink there. What do you think, Eddie? You think it's easy enough? And that's it, guys. There is your spirit Santa. If you want to make money this Christmas, you know, you see how simple that was? Simple and cheesy as hell. Okay? But they sell. This, $20. Guys, $20. Let's get this mustache. There she is. She done. She be done. Okay, that's it. Spirit Santa. Ho, ho, ho!
Ho, ho, ho! You want to go to the North Pole? Merry Christmas!